Some were times
puppy.
4. The biggest I saw was times 4. At least.
Puppy.
Oh, here comes Wayne. No, he's kind of.
There's a boogie boarder.
Ooh, Jeffrey, what about this thing? Is this big? Oh, it's good. Sounded like a whale was splashing into that. Jeffrey, there's little baby rocks in there.
Little baby rocks. Meow. What?
Cliff is not here.
Slush? Why
No,
is
the
it?
cliff.
Oh, cliff? Yeah, the
Used to
cliff
be like
isn't
a
here
little
anymore.
cliff. Well, it's kind of still there up there.
It kind of is.
The slush isn't here anymore.
What do you mean? You're right here, bro.
I know. The Great Pyramid of Giza.
The Great Pyramid of Giza. More like the Great Dirt Mound.
No, the Great 2D Pyramid.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see that.
It's more from it's from my angle.
Yeah, I know. Here's another great 2D Pyramid of Giza. Look. See? Oh, that just reminds me. That boogie boarder out there, he really needs a helmet.
Here's the first tide pool. Hey, Jeffrey, point it to the.
There's the first tide pool. See, look, here's the little cliff.
See how big the next one is?
Oh yeah, the next one is pretty big.
Sounds like I'll pick up right
See anything?
Yeah,
Let's see.
they're more out here.
They are.
It's kind of deserted right here. It's too sandy.
Yeah. Little thins right here.
I remember seeing them right over there.
Wheat thins! Sorry.
Kick in a whole bunch of sand from all of
Everyone, look at the good
Yeah.
stuff.
Let's go look at these guys. Oh, look, here's some. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's a bunch of little fish in here.
I got a snail.
Nice. You got a snail? Nice.
There you go. Look out for the giant.
Wait, crab?
No, I'm just saying look out for them.
Oh.
Ooh, Jeffrey, watch this. Watch this.
I'm watching.
No, look at this piece of coral.
Oh, I'm coming.
And need to show you something
Oh,
that I did
sorry guys,
earlier.
rigorous trekking going on here.
Oh,
Oh, big wave! Oh no! Oh no! Yeah?
see this piece of coral?
No, I'll come. I'm coming. I'm coming. I don't see it quite yet.
Okay, see in this little ridge? Watch.
Andy closed. That must be like lure fishermen and wait for the fish to like kind of crawl over them and then they. Bye bye, fishy.
Well, they're really squishy. But that's how I feel about them. Here, I'm gonna get on top of the world.
Be careful, it's slippery.
You like gooey stuff. I'm going over to the
Yeah, that quote unquote gooey stuff is called moss. So.
No, come here. They're like blue things of blue.
Oh, there is.
They look like black tomatoes.
There must be like some sort of thing, some sort of type of barnacle.
Hey guys.
Hi, picture. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Oh, almost fell over. Okay, well that was fun.
Okay, so we walked 3
Sorry.
miles.
Okay. But we still have a while to go.
There you go.